Happy New Year! Welcome back, SciTech Chargers, for our 2017 spring semester, and also welcome to our new morning video. I want to let you know that this work is important. What we're going to be talking about is important both for today as well as the rest of the school year and your future. So please make sure that you're paying 100% attention to everything that we're talking about today. So for this morning video, we're going to talk about our mission, what we're trying to accomplish, thinking back on Benchmark 2 data and goals, what it's going to take for us to get into those top high schools, and also what's new for the second semester. So going back to our mission, who are we and what are we trying to do? We're looking for 100% of you all, SciTech Chargers, to be academically, socially, and emotionally prepared to succeed in the top high schools in the city, access that full range of life opportunities after high school, and also accept the power and responsibility that you have to shape your life, your community, and your world. The bottom line is that we want you to have those skills to not just be at the top high schools in the city, but be the top students in the top high schools in the city. And we want SciTech to be a consistent A school by 2020. So some real talk. We want to be better than yesterday. We are always trying to improve. So looking back at our benchmark scores from last fall compared to this fall, this table is showing how many grade levels were the leaders in Renew in their subjects. So in ELA, all 4 of our middle school grades led the network in ELA. We had 2 in math, 3 in science, and 1 in social studies. But for this benchmark, we only had 2 total. We only had 1 in math and 1 in science, which we've seen what you've done in the past, and we know that you are capable of a lot. So it's really important that we buckle down and really make sure that we are better today than we were yesterday and focus on getting better for Benchmark 3.
One important thing you need to know is that we believe in you. We absolutely believe in you. If we are going to be getting to top high schools, there's a set of habits that we need to make sure that we're adhering to, because doing these things just better position us to get what we want, which is access to the top high schools. So one thing you need to remember is that we are stronger together. We're stronger together, so make sure that you lean on your teammates. Make sure that you lean on your community. And also, we need to understand that hard work is very, very important. Everything that we do is earned. Anything worth having, we have to work for it. And our choices are going to dictate what our future looks like. So if we do good things, then good things will happen. So make good choices. And once again, understand that everything we do is important. This is important, and you can do this, and we believe in you. Just make sure that you believe in you too, and it'll push you even further. So we're always going to strive for growth. Make sure that we're better today than we were yesterday, and make sure that we take pride in our growth, because as long as we're reaching for excellence, we're always going to get to where we need to be and then past it. And in order to do that, we need to make sure that we are maximizing our time. We have 24 hours in every single day. What are you doing with your 24 hours? That's different from someone who's not able to push ahead. So every second counts. Every second counts, and make sure that you are thinking that when you're in class, when you're at home, every second counts.
So SciTech Chargers, we're going to be better today than we were yesterday. We're going to be better in 2017 than we were in 2016. Advisory is going to look a little bit different for you in the new semester because every second counts, and we need to make some seconds in advisory count more than they used to. So we're going to read to start off each day. I know you're already reading in English class, but we need to increase the number of minutes that we read every day because the strongest readers read more minutes. So we'll start our day with silent reading, and then we'll watch our morning video. Then you'll do some GPA reflection and values reflection because the smartest people in the world are the most reflective people in the world. One thing that happens during advisory is homework check, and there's going to be a change to your homework consequence. If you turn in incomplete homework or if you don't show top high school effort on your homework, then you're not going to be prepared for top high schools. And so you'll start earning study hall during electives period. That means you won't go outside and you won't go to STEM. Instead, you'll have study hall to improve upon your incomplete homework. One way that we get better is by focusing on one thing at a time and getting really good at it. And so we're going to focus on one charge value this week and get super good at it. It's the value of growth. Your focus value for this week is growth. Remember that as we move through today, every single minute counts. There should be no wasted minutes because then you can't grow. We will be better than yesterday, and we will make SciTech the top performing school in Renew again. We will be on top of every subject, every grade for Benchmark 3 because we're better in 2017 than we were before. So focus on growth today. Think about ways that you can show growth from before break, and let's start 17 strong.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Control S.